Hey guys, Cadence Non-Toxic Fan 62 here. We're passing over to open up, so let's see what we get. Bubble wrap. Here's the first one. Get 2013 Monroe Salty, which I've been wanting to get for some time. I've got one that's on eBay. And Mattel did a really good job with Salty CGI face. I had the 2002 one when I was younger. And the face is better than the 2007 Learning Curve Salty. Move aside. Get the other one. Yeah. 2013 Monroe Rheneas. You can see it. Good look at his CGI face. I had the 2012 one, which I got last year. The difference is with this one that the side rods have been removed. They've removed the side rods, and they've updated his CGI face. Other than that, the face is quite good. And they've captured it pretty well. There's not much else to say. So if you want to get a narrow gauge engine for your Monroe collection, I recommend getting Rheneas. If you want to get a diesel engine, or for your Monroe collection, I recommend getting Salty. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!